Hi, it's your girl ExBlackrose, and on today's video I'm going to be doing a Amazon wig review. My makeup is done because I'm doing a video called Get Ready With Me for my birthday. So if you guys want to know how I did this look, you can just go to the link in the description and it should be down below, or just simply go to my YouTube channel and look for the video of Get Ready With Me. On this video I'm going to be doing a review on my wig that I'm wearing for my birthday. It's pretty cute. I only paid like $20 for it, maybe like $22 for it, and it's curly, it's synthetic. I don't usually do synthetic, but this wig is really cute, so I wanted to try it. I'm going to put it on and I'm going to do a little cutting because it's very full. Now, if some of you are like me and have a small head, that's why I don't do wigs, because usually it's like too much. But from what I read on the reviews, it's pretty good. There's no problem with it. So this is how it looks. It's a curly wig. So let's see if I like it. Okay, it's cute. It really is cute. Now, since my head is small, I have to get rid of some of these curls because some of it is just too much. But so far, I like it. It's nice and bouncy. It's cute or whatever. So what I'm going to do is use a wide tooth comb and take the bang area like that. I don't want to mess that up. Out the way. Don't mess that up. Okay, so I'm going to take just this area. Okay, so what I'm going to do is take this area right here and cut it. Like that. And then I'm going to take some of that out on each side, and then I'm going to cut it again in the middle. And then I'm going to take another smaller section. And I'm going to cut. Just because I don't want all of that in my face. I have some scissors to help remove some of the weight, but I honestly just don't feel like going to be bothered with it. Honestly, I just don't. So overall, it's a really cute wig. I really do like it. It's nice and full. I do feel like I need to thin it on the sides. Crap, you guys. I'm just going to go get my thinning shears and then I'll be back so that I could frame around my face because it's too much. Okay, so I have my thinning shears. So I'm going to go in and just cut some of it up because there's a lot going on. So I'm going to take a little bit of this. Okay, so I hope you guys like it. It's really cute. It's bouncy. You know, I cut a little bit off just to like break up the hair right here because it was a little too much because I have a small face. So now I'm going to take some dry shampoo. When you have synthetic wigs, you put on dry shampoo because you don't want it to look so shiny. You want it to look like natural hair. So that is what you do when you have synthetic hair. So I'm going to now put this in my hair. Oh my gosh, it's super cute. I like it. $20 wig won't hurt anybody. overall, I really do like this wig. I do suggest that you purchase it if you like it as well. I don't know how it's gonna go on, you know, during the day, if it's gonna get frizzy or anything, but today is extra cold, which I'm not happy about. It's my birthday and I don't like the cold. So hopefully my hair doesn't get frizzy. It stays nice and cute like this. So yeah, I would recommend this. And like I said before, the link is going to be in the description down below of where I purchased it at on Amazon. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. And always guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.